Have you seen a creator's thumbnail that you loved, or even your own thumbnail? You tried downloading it, but you don't know how to do it. Worry no more, because we're fixing that in this video. Yes, I'm teaching you how to download that thumbnail. I just saw that update now, and I said that why not share it on this channel? So to get how to do this, why not watch this video to the end? And without further ado, let's go into downloading your thumbnail. So guys, in achieving this, we need our YouTube app. So open up your YouTube app. Go to that creator's page that you liked his or her thumbnail, or even your own thumbnail. Let's use my account. So I'll come to my account. I'll go to view channel. I'll scroll to my videos. I'll find any video I want to use the thumbnail. I want to use this one for essential NYC camp packing tips for every PCM members. I'll click this three-dotted line here. This interface pops up. I'll click on share. Then this next interface pops up. I'll see share, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Gmail, mail, message. Then you see copy link, create post. Please click on copy link. Now we have copied the link of that video we want to download the thumbnail. Now we're going to go over to our web browser. Now in your web browser, please type in YouTube thumbnail grabber. Now these are lots of YouTube grabbers sites. Click on the first one. It automatically takes you to this site. You see enter YouTube URL here. So you have to long press on this box to paste that URL we've copied from YouTube. Now you see the next thing, get thumbnail images. We are going to click on it. If you successfully went through this process of downloading YouTube thumbnail, you see that you'll be having something like now this. These YouTube thumbnails are displayed based on the quality. It ranges from the highest quality down to the lowest quality, as you can see. Now download any one of your choice. I highly recommend the HD quality. That's the highest quality. Long press on it to save to gallery. Now it's been saved to your gallery or downloaded to your files. If you have followed through this process, you should have your YouTube thumbnail in your gallery. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please type my thank you in the comment section. I will see you on the next one. Bye.